Hello again everyone, Truck CV Sales here with a temp report for James in Florida on his RCI-2995DX CF. James, I've got you ready to go, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, amp switch on the back, also upgraded electrolytics, and you put on there blue LEDs, but I remember you telling me on your RCI-69 that you couldn't hardly see the meters. Well, the blue would be really hard to see too. I went ahead and put ultra bright whites in it, but before we ship it, I'm going to talk to you, but it is Thanksgiving night, so I don't want to bother you tonight. No problem to change them again, but I think the ultra bright whites is going to be the way to go. So let's get right to it. Our power all the way down, amp switch on. We'll get set at 5 watts all the way down, 40 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. 70 bird, 250 watt slug-in PEP, hello, and 155 peak. I roll that RF power all the way down. I know you're going to run this into a little amp. So, still getting 155 peak. Alright, James, it's ready to come to Florida from your friend Truck at www.truckscvsales.com. Bump bump.